This app is brilliant, so I had to do a little ad for it. It's called Australian Birds. It's about $30, and it documents all 790 of the Australian birds in it. So you can scroll through, you can see there's heaps and heaps of them. It tells you about where they live, it tells you what the male and the female look like, it tells you what their nest and eggs look like. But the best part is you can listen to the sounds, the bird cries. A lot of us hear these sounds all the time, but we don't know what they're called. So this one here, Pied Currawong, it's become one of my favourites. This one I've heard ever since I was a kid. It's called the Eastern Cole. This one, same deal, heard it millions of times. Spotted Dove, and then you've got your good old favourites like the Kookaburra. Or the magpie, etc. So yeah, I highly recommend it. My kids love it, and yeah, it's very educational and kind of gets you in tune with this whole other wonderful world of the birds.